Give your meat love, your food love. You give it all the love, you give it romance, all the seasoning. Welcome back to my channel. Tonight we'll be making oxtail and I'll show you how I make my oxtail. So come on, let's do it. Guys, I have here like 5 pounds of oxtail and I have them clean, washed, trimmed, all the fat off. So this is what they look like. Thinly cut, so it's going to be easy to cook. Here I have my seasoning. I have my scallion, we call green onions. I have garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, some onions, some thyme, and ginger. If you stay along enough with me, you'll know that I love to use ginger. Ginger I use in almost everything I cook, so it's going to be one of my ingredients. Okay, so here I have my seasoning, some Easy Spice meat seasoning, and I always use Easy Spice. I use a chicken when it's chicken, I use fish when it's fish. I have my soy sauce. I have a small amount of crushed pimento seed. I have paprika, I'm gonna put a small amount, and I have my broad beans. I have some extra onions and bell peppers. That's gonna be for the finishing. So I'm seasoning now. Okay, put my pimento seed in. I'm gonna put some Easy Spice seasoning in, and as I say, it's all seasoned to taste. Right? I'm gonna put a small amount of paprika, and this gonna help to bring up the color. I'm gonna put my scallion in, my thyme, my garlic, pepper, and my ginger, some soy sauce, good amount. That's what's gonna give you that nice color. And I'm gonna rub. I'm gonna wash my hands again. So okay, I'm gonna give it some love. And that's one of the things with cooking. You give your meat love, your food love. You give it all the love. You give it romance, all the seasoning. Give it good romance. Love it. Fall in love with whatever you're cooking. And that's what gives it taste. So you're gonna kneel it down. Soy sauce in. That should be it. And you're gonna rub in again. Like this is gonna give your food taste because you're really seasoning it, rubbing it, you're falling in love with it. Come on, baby, fall in love with your meat. Okay, so this is all ready. I'm gonna set it aside for like about 20 minutes, half an hour. And if you're one of those person who comes in from work and you grab some oxtail and you're coming home to cook, just romance it and put it on to cook. So guys, it's like half an hour now, and I'm ready to put my meat in. I think you got enough time. One thing I forgot to tell you is that when you season your meat, you don't have to have Easy Spice. You could use whatever seasoning you have. If you have Larry's, whatever, any seasoning you have, you could use it. Okay? Just remember that. So I'm gonna put my meat in. And one thing, I don't brown my oxtail. I put it to cook with all the seasoning in. All of the seasoning. Okay. So I'm gonna put it on storage and leave it so it makes it natural water. Okay, I'm gonna cover like for about 15 minutes and then I'll come back. So guys, 20 minutes pass. I'm coming back to show you how the oxtail going down nicely. Up to this point, I didn't add any water, and look at it. Makes its own juice, enough juice. Look at it, and a nice color. Everything is coming out nice. I just want to show it to you. So I cover up and it's on medium heat because I want the oxtail to take its time to cook. I don't want to cook it in a rush, and I don't want it boiled. I want it cooked. So look at it, nice color, even though I didn't brown it. Because if I had browned it, then I would have to add water, and I didn't want to add water. So that's what happened. Nice. Look at it, really nice. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm gonna take a look at the oxtail and see how well it's going. It's simmering down nicely. So at this point, you get to see if you want to add some water now. You could take a little water. So I'm going to add some water. And this is the time you get to test it. You get to see if you're comfortable with the color, whether you want it darker or it's okay being this color. Then you test to see if you have enough salt, enough seasoning, enough pepper, and then you add. So I'm going to do a little test to see how, if it has enough seasoning. So I'm going to test this. I always do like this. I put a little in my hand and I taste, and it's okay. It's good enough for me like that. So at this point, I'm going to put a little water because it looks like it needs some. So I always have a pot with boiling water. I don't want to put cold water to my cooking meat. So you put a little bit, and when you put it to the side of the pot. You don't never put it on the meat itself. You add it to the side. Here it is. It's going down nicely. Color is nice, and it's there. And I'm going to leave it. It's still simmering. I have it on medium. And I'm going to leave it. When I come back, I'm going to add my seasoning. So guys, I'm going to be checking on my oxtail now. It's almost done. I think it should be by now. So we're going to test it. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Very nice. Look, color is beautiful. So you know when the oxtail is ready, when it starts falling from the bone. And look at it, see? Falling from the bone. So then it's ready. So at this point, I'm going to be putting the extra that I had left over, the onion and the bell peppers. I'm going to put it in. I'm going to put in my broad beans, and I'm going to leave it to simmer. All of this, and I'm going to simmer it down. Very nice. Look, very nice gravy. Color is nice, beautiful. So I'm going to cover for another maybe 10-15 minutes and let it simmer down. I'm going to add a small amount of water. So I have enough gravy here. That's it. Okay, so look at it. Nice, and look, meat is tender. The spoon cuts it. Let's cook. I'm going to leave this now for a few minutes to simmer down with the pepper, the onion. That's the last part of it. I'll come back and show you the finishing. Okay, so I have my gungo rice and peas here. Ready. I'm waiting for my oxtail. All looking good too. It's all done. We're going to be serving it with oxtail. Very nice color here. It's all nice color. It's not black. It's nice. Very nice. Look at it simmering down nicely. Almost done. Give it a few minutes and then we'll be ready. Guys, this is the finished oxtail, and I'm serving it with my gungo rice and peas and my tossed salad. And guys, it's from my house to your taste bud. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!